love this bread machine. Let's get, and then I have to look at my recipe. Divide dough in half and shape into 2-inch balls. I'll let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. The wax paper is causing me issues. I have to say that bread maker does a nice job with because it's good to get all those air bubbles out of it. You can do that. And then it says, let the dough rest for 10 to 15 minutes. Use her on how to do it. How cool is that? So I just go across this way. And some big ones. That's funny. Flat if it's easier, but this is supposed to taste like garlic butter.